Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study diseases in medical school step by step. Begin by creating a repeatable disease framework that covers definition, pathophysiology, presentation, diagnostics, management, and complications. Use active recall with flashcards and spaced repetition to reinforce details. Pair clinical cases with high-yield summaries to connect mechanisms to symptoms. Review frequently with peers and teach concepts, allowed to cement understanding and spot knowledge gaps efficiently. Start with targeted resources, a concise textbook, a question bank, and a clinical casebook to cover different angles. Schedule study blocks with focused goals and a weekly review day to consolidate information. Create flashcards for high-yield facts and algorithm steps and practice with NBME-style questions. Incorporate diagrams and tables to visualize processes and simulate clinical reasoning with timed cases to improve diagnostic speed and decision-making before exams regularly. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel and truly help others find it. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes study breaks effortless and saves time for review. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one today. Thanks for watching and supporting this channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use active recall daily and spaced repetition scheduling to move facts into long-term memory. Focus on understanding mechanisms rather than memorizing isolated facts to predict presentations. Practice teaching topics to a peer or an imaginary student to reveal weak areas and reinforce links. During clinical rotations, link patients to your disease framework and note variations. Track progress with small measurable goals and adjust strategies when retention falters, and reflect weekly consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.